Prophet Yusuf A.S, a story of patience and forgiveness. Long ago, Prophet Yusuf A.S was a kind, honest, and beloved son. Some of his brothers became jealous of him and threw him into a deep well. But Allah protected Yusuf A.S, and kind travelers rescued him. Although he faced many hardships, Yusuf A.S. never lost faith in Allah. Because of his patience, honesty, and trust in Allah, he became an important leader in Egypt. Years later, when he met his brothers again, he forgave them with kindness instead of taking revenge. Moral: trust Allah in every situation. Stay patient during difficulties. And always choose forgiveness over anger. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and join our learning family for more English magic.